What's the meaning of asymmetrical? Asymmetrical. Asymmetrical.
Asymmetrical. Asymmetrical. The term asymmetrical refers to something that is not symmetrical or balanced, with one side being different from the other. It can be used to describe physical objects, such as a dress or a building, or abstract concepts, such as power or information. Asymmetry can be intentional and used for artistic or design purposes, or it can be a result of natural variation or irregularity. Overall, asymmetry adds interest and uniqueness to an object or concept, setting it apart from others that are perfectly symmetrical or uniform.